Meaning of grandiloquence.
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 Grandiloquence. Grandiloquence refers to the extravagant and pompous use of language that is intended to impress or persuade others. It often involves the use of overly complex or exaggerated language, as well as gestures and theatrical flourishes in speech delivery. Grandiloquent speakers tend to prioritize style over substance, using impressive-sounding words and phrases to mask a lack of meaningful content. While some may find grandiloquence impressive or entertaining, it can also be seen as disingenuous or insincere, and may even detract from the speaker's credibility or message.